Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to my Garage is a Disaster. Today I'm going to be working on the Corvette. I've got, as you can see, LED headlights. But with that comes complications like my high beam indicators on all the time, fog lights aren't working, dash lights are acting weird. So you have to install a ballast resistor in those. So I ordered these. From other videos that I've watched, these look like they're pretty good. They're plug and play. So we're going to pull the cover off the side. As you can see, I've got the headlights rotated so I can get to the Phillips screw there. And then the two 7mm bolts there. So you need a 7mm and a Phillips to do that. And these are pretty much plug and play. So I'll go ahead and get that side tore apart, and then we'll show you what it looked like when I'm done. Alright, here's what it comes with. It comes with two zip ties. It's just a plug and play, plugs into either end. And then as you can see, I've rotated the headlight around, so one end will plug into here and then the other end plugs into here. And then we'll zip tie it up in here so it stays, or up into here so it stays hidden. Put the cover back on and seal it up. So give me just a minute. Okay, that's what it looks like installed. I got a wrap around the unit itself. I had to use one of my longer ones. Then I use one of theirs to hold the wires up, so then it's all up. There it is, all plugged in. I'm just making sure that this is down past here so that the cover can go back on. So now I'll rotate the headlight back around part way so I can get the cover back on, and then we'll do the other side.